Xiaomi's Senior Vice President Adam Zhang announced that Xiaomi 15 will be the first smartphone to come with the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC in global markets. Xiaomi unveiled the Xiaomi 15 and Xiaomi 15 Pro smartphones on October 29 in China. And this is the first hand on Xiaomi 15 and Xiaomi 15 Pro. And this is Xiaomi 15 and iPhone 16 Pro Max side by side. Xiaomi 15 is really a compact device and the screen-to-body ratio looks good. The phone has an 8.1mm thickness and a weight of 191 grams. The phone has a rear design that's quite reminiscent of its predecessor, the Xiaomi 14, which launched last year. The main difference is the LED flash array now being moved outside of the camera island. Xiaomi 15 model is expected to feature a 6.36-inch display with a 1.5K resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The screen is rumored to achieve a peak brightness of 1400 nits. The phone is paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. This time Hyperos 2.0 is so fluid and lots of animations details are added. Great job Xiaomi! The device will come with 5 major Android updates promised. The device is anticipated to sport a triple rear camera system, including a 50-megapixel OmniVision OV50H sensor, alongside an ultra-wide camera and a 3x telephoto lens, both equipped with Samsung JN1 sensors. A 32-megapixel front-facing camera, the Xiaomi 15 features a 5400 mAh battery with 90W fast charging, 50W for wireless. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.